So if you want to use Seedance 2.5 completely for free, and I mean unlimited, and generate crazy AI videos like the ones you're seeing right now, then you are at the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 secret AI tools you will definitely be able to use Seedance 2.5 for free. Let's get into it. First, search Google for VPN Chrome extension. Open the first result and add the extension to Chrome. Once it's installed, pin it to your toolbar, open it, and turn the VPN on. That's it. Now search for Dola AI and open the official website. You'll be prompted to log in, and you'll have several options: Google, Facebook, Apple, or even the Dola app. I'm going to use Continue with Google because it's the fastest option. Finish the sign-up process, and you'll land on the main dashboard. Once you log in with Google, it'll ask for your birth date. Just enter a birth date to continue, then you'll land on the main dashboard. This is the interface you'll be working with. Down here is the prompt box, and you've got options for things like images, writing, and video. For this tutorial, we're going straight to create video. Click Model. You'll see a few different options. For this example, I'm using Seedance 2.5. Next, choose your duration. I'm going with 10 seconds. Pick your aspect ratio, paste in your prompt, and hit Generate. Now it'll start processing your video. It can take a few minutes, so this is a perfect time to grab a coffee or stare at the loading screen like the rest of us. And there we go. The video is ready. Not bad for a completely free generation. And once you're happy with it, just hit the download button and save it to your device. One thing to keep in mind, on the free plan, you can make one 10-second video per day. But there's another option I want to show you. And honestly, this one gets pretty interesting. Search for Dropshot AI and open the official website. This platform has tons of other models and some pre-built agents, so you can generate high-quality images and videos all in one place. Now tap Join Now and sign up using any Google account. Once you've signed up with Google, just answer a few quick questions and you'll arrive at the home page. Now here's where things get interesting. If you see this offer for 300 bonus credits, accept it, then refresh the page, and now 600 credits. That's a pretty solid starting point for free AI video generation. Click Generate Video. You'll get a whole list of models to choose from, including Grok, Seedance, Minimax, Omni, and many more. Again, I'm going with Seedance 2.5. You can also turn on Enhanced Prompt if you want the platform to help improve your prompt. Then choose your aspect ratio. For the duration, you can technically generate videos up to 30 seconds, but with 600 credits, you're better off going with a 10-second video. Then paste in your prompt and hit Generate Video. Now we wait. And there it is. Your AI video is ready. And just like before, hit the download button and you've got your video. If you want to make unlimited videos, you can switch to another account and continue generating with the available free credits. And that's a wrap for today's video, guys. I really hope these 2 secret AI tools help you generate Seedance 2.5 videos totally for free. And if you want to see the free and unlimited Seedance 2.0 video guide, just tap on that video and check it out. See you in the next one.